recruits, we use a great deal of technology in our field of espionage and intelligence gathering. You are aware that there are thousands of satellites circling the Earth. Many of these are orbital tools for espionage or spy satellites. Your mission today will be to analyze images taken from these satellites and then coordinate mission strikes. You will receive maps that have been overlaid with grids. Your mission will be to guide a strike team from an insertion point, IP, to the target, T, and then the extraction zone, EZ, using coordinates. Each scenario comes with different challenges for which you will have to maneuver your team in order to accomplish its task. You will determine the best route. Use the following commands to guide your team to the Tango, military term for target. FD, forward. BK, back. LT, left. RT, right. Coordinate rules are as follows. Number 1, always give commands in the following sequence. Step number, departure or starting point, direction, distance, destination, or final coordinate location. Number 2, the top of a satellite photo is always FD, down is always BK, left is always LT, and right is always RT, regardless of previous command. Number 3, you must take the shortest route feasible in the least amount of steps possible to achieve the mission. Number 4, each map contains squares that are 500 feet in length. The team can travel 100 feet per minute. Sample mission, Hong Kong recovery. We believe that there are secret plans related to a nuclear reactor that were stolen from the U.S. government. Your mission is to guide the strike team to the location, recover the plans, and get them to the extraction point safely. You must not travel on roads or highly populated areas to avoid suspicion. Step 1, E19, FD09, E10, insertion point. Step 2, E10, RT03, B10. Step 3, B10, LT04, B6, Tango. Step 4, B06, BK03, E06. Step 5, E06, LT02, E04. Step 6, E04, BK01, F04, extraction zone. You will have 20 minutes to create the coordinate commands for 2 strike missions. You must race against the clock to develop coordinates for your strike team. The object will be to get your strike team in and out in the least amount of time, moves, and turns while avoiding the objects identified on each map. Mission 1, Baghdad Cell. We have intel that a terrorist group is making plans to strike a U.S. military compound. Your team must attack the cell before they can mobilize, but you cannot be seen. Avoid the military base, temple, and school to keep civilian casualties to a minimum. Mission 2, hijack in LA. We have been asked to retake a hijacked airplane at LAX in Los Angeles, California. Your team must get to the plane by avoiding the masses of people in the main terminal area where they might be seen. They must also avoid the fuel depot to prevent possible explosions.